Hi, Jake here from Fecon Australia. I'm here to talk about the Fecon FMX36. The FMX36 features a 36-inch drum or a 913mm cut. It's equipped with a unique FMX rotor, which features the depth control rings we see on the DCR and the knife edge tools we see also on the DCR. The benefit of this FMX is it's also equipped with the carbide rotors for harder and more soil compact ground. But here we'll be using the knife edge tools, will give us a finer chip result, which we can see on the ground. This is unique to Fecon and has been in production for about 5 years now. The Fecon FMX36 is designed around the 5 to 10 tonne excavator range, weighing 386 kilos with a 45cc variable pump motor underneath the cover here. It features 2 floating bearings on each end of the rotor, which mean that if you ever need to drop the rotor out for any reason to do maintenance and repairs, it's not a big ordeal. It's made out of AR500 constructed steel, which has been 100 tested to KPSI. So if you are in a robust area and you are prone to be hitting your machine up against the trees, the steel is impact resistant. Fecon mulchers are 3 hose systems, which means we have 2 pressure hoses for supply and return, and a case drain. You always want to make sure when you're looking to buy a mulcher that you have a mulcher that's equipped with a case drain. That's going to give you extra protection on that motor and serves as a valuable tool. Each Fecon rotor is made with 57mm bearings on either side, giving you prolonged life and the ability to grease, being a floating bearing. The Fecon FMX range is equipped with a 381mm diameter rotor, giving it the largest rotor diameter in any class amongst the competition. We also use a sheathing in between here, giving it the thickest skin in the class as well, giving your rotor optimal performance when it comes to power to weight ratio. The FMX comes in a 50-inch diameter as well, with a 1.3 cut. It's important to know both mulchers are identically the same, with the only difference being cutting width and overall weight. When choosing your mulcher, if you're in that 5 to 7 tonne class, we would recommend the FMX36. Anything from that 7 to 10 class, the FMX50 will give you a better cutting width.